Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about breaking news for Coinbase and the lawsuit with the SEC. And we're going to be talking about what happened out there. This is breaking news, and this could signal a huge positive pump for Dogecoin. Huge positive pump for Bitcoin and the whole crypto space. So we're going to be talking about that and much more. Also, we got some good positive news coming for Dogecoin as well. We could be seeing a 30% pump coming in for Dogecoin as well if these technicals play out, guys. So Dogecoin and freaking moon, guys, and welcome. Remember, don't forget to smash the likes and show some love out there. Smash the freaking likes like crazy. And remember, it is a great time to be alive. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house. And guys, go down there, show some love, and don't forget to give a super thanks, guys. I would appreciate it. Super thanks would be appreciated. Let's get the party started. Let's get the crypto news, breaking news for crypto, SEC versus Coinbase. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. Would definitely appreciate that. I want to give a big shout out to Dan and also for Frank for supporting the channel and giving super thanks, guys. You can go down there. It looks like a heart mark. It looks like something like this, guys, and you can give a super thanks and support the channel. I appreciate what's going on with the broader markets. We did see that yesterday the broader markets were pretty much down, down out there. To be expected. Also, looks like also Jeremy Diamond is a Debbie Downer when it comes to Bitcoin. We're going to be showing you that clip as well. Looks like Jim Cramer says the buzz around Bitcoin ETF is buyer beware. So this is good because we got the inverse Cramer effect out there. And when Jim Cramer says something, the opposite happens. So Jim Cramer, you get a freaking red card. Get out of there, buddy. You're a troll. You're an idiot out there. So also too, if you take a look at the total market cap, we are seeing the total market cap is going down, down. We're down about 1.13%. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance is also going down as well. And we're seeing that Ethereum dominance is also going up. So we're seeing that there's a little bit of a transference from Bitcoin to the altcoins right now. So we're seeing that the altcoins are doing okay relative to Bitcoin. So that is looking pretty good. Overall, we're seeing Bitcoin is down 1.13%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 2.56%. We're seeing BNB is also down as well. Pretty much the whole crypto market is down. Dogecoin is also down 1%. We are seeing Solana is still up, interestingly, above $100, so that's looking good. But pretty much we're seeing that all of the crypto markets are down. Chainlink is up, however, but everything is not looking good. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is now the 16th spot and is dropping like a rock, guys. Drop it while it's hot. We're seeing that overall pretty much a stinker day out there. We're seeing, a really tight consolidation out there. Remember, I did talk about the spot Bitcoin ETFs, and we're seeing that most of the large entities that are holding the Bitcoin spot ETF, we're still not seeing that, the boomers and older money, they haven't really aped into these Bitcoin spot ETF yet, because a lot of these big trading firms are still making appointments, still seeing clients out there. So we're not going to really see the real impact of the liquidity that's flowing into the market, probably not till the end of February. So that is why we're not seeing a big takeoff out there. Also, we're going to be talking about Grayscale. What's going on with Grayscale? Grayscale keeps transferring a ton of their Bitcoin to Coinbase Prime. So we're also seeing that the Fear and Greed is slightly up from yesterday, but still, we're in the green zone. This is, in my opinion, anywhere from here to here is a good buying opportunity right now. I'm still dollar cost averaging. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin right now is at 42,671. Fundamentally, we had this big dump, and we went as low as 41,000. We were recovering a little bit from that, so we're slowly trending up, and I really believe that Bitcoin is kind of like in this trend area here. We're probably going to raise up, go down, raise up, go down, but slowly you're going to see that the trend is upwards. It may feel, a lot of the newbies out there in the space, and if you're watching and you're new, do not expect things to go up forever. Pullbacks are very good, very positive out there for Bitcoin out there. So don't get shaken out, guys. Don't let large institutions shake you up. We're also seeing right now that Ethereum is forming this huge bull flag out there. did get rejected at the 2,600 level. It got a bit of a hard rejection out there. Yesterday, we did see that Ethereum was pushed down 2.27%. So I believe we're probably just going to consolidate. We're probably going to see most of cryptocurrencies consolidate. What's going on with Dogecoin? So we see here right now that Dogecoin is trading at 0.806. And this is really the area of confluence right now, from my perspective. Let me just clean this chart up. From my perspective of Dogecoin, we have this area of confluence. We have this support here around about 8 cents. And then we have this downward sloping resistance. We really need Dogecoin to, let me just make that bigger. We really need Dogecoin to kind of break out of this area right now. You can see here, this is the area that's of interest. And if Dogecoin cannot break past this downward sloping resistance right here, then Dogecoin will, in my opinion, probably break down the 7 cent level, and we're probably going to go down all the way to around about 0.73 or about 7 cents at the lowest. So we could see that Dogecoin could start to be moving downward if we don't break out of that. If we do break out of this, then we're probably going to go all the way up to the 0.85 area, and then probably consolidate like this for a while, unless, of course, Bitcoin makes a major move. So that's how I'm reading the charts right now. So it's not looking good for Dogecoin. Let me be honest with you. It's not looking good for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at what's going on with stocks right now. So the current situation with stocks, and it's kind of weird what's going on. The stocks are falling like the bull market is over, but it's not over in my opinion. Gold is falling like the Fed is no longer pivoting. Oil prices are falling like we're heading into a recession. Bonds are falling like we're heading for a soft landing. And the VIX is rising like market's just seen a major top. Nothing adds up here. We're seeing a lot of weirdness happening. I think that, something is brewing, something's happening behind the scenes. And I think, all of what we're seeing now is an attempt by market makers to kind of flush out a lot of weak hands, paper hands, guys. So I think that's what's going on. A little bit of turbulence going on. Bitcoin's possible scenario for the next few months. So possibly, we could see a sideways correction. That's what we're probably going to see. We're probably going to see a sideways correction, probably to the halving. Then once we have the halving, we can see a little bit of a dump, and then we will reverse to the upside. So, we could see ourselves dumping as low as 33,500. If that area does come in, I'm definitely going to be buying more Bitcoin, guys. So expect some chop. So let's talk about this breaking news. This is coming from Ash Crypto. Coinbase versus SEC. Judge says we need new laws for the crypto market. The old 90-year-old Howey test should not apply to the current market. The SEC is getting smoked right now out there. So, yeah. And this is giga bullish. This is absolutely giga bullish. Basically, this could force the SEC to relook at the Howey test and how applicable that is to crypto, and come up with another test out there, another way to measure if this is an asset, a security or not. So SEC lawyer says token with larger economic system makes it a security. SEC lawyer says that crypto is an insignificant part of the economy. Judge says that people have explained that judge says that people have explained the staking term better than the SEC. SEC lawyer explained the risks with staking. Fun fact, most of the risks are in savings and loan too. Judge says that 9-year-old Howey test should apply to crypto, citing Senator Loomis' statement. New Coinbase lawyer, the SEC failed to prove with facts. Judge tells Coinbase lawyer that the cryptos are not securities, but trading them on a secondary market to make it security. Coinbase lawyer says he wants to comply, but the old law doesn't belong. So this is good news, guys. This is good news. Looks like crypto is about to explode. It looks like Ethereum could explode as well. Looks like our friend Vitalik and girlfriend. This is Judge. We need new laws for crypto. This is Gary Gensler. I thought this is hilarious. Gary Gensler, we're back out there, guys. So looks like I thought this was funny. After Coinbase versus Senator, people are nominating this lady to be appointed as a new chairman for SEC. She is bullish on crypto and plans to approve all spot ETFs like XRP, DOT, Link, and Algo. Okay. Let's get it, guys. Let's absolutely get it out there. Also, breaking news, Grayscale has transferred another $19,800 million to Coinbase. What's going on with that? People are speculating. People are asking. And that's also another reason why we are seeing Bitcoin kind of just not going anywhere. So I think once Coinbase stops the transference of its Bitcoin to Coinbase, then we'll start to see a bit of a pump coming out there. So looks like this is also good. Bitcoin dominance is forming head and shoulder pattern and dropping hard. This is Bitcoin dominance, not Bitcoin price, Bitcoin dominance. Money is now flowing into Ethereum and other altcoins. Coinbase is winning the Coinbase versus SEC case, which could be a massive win for alts. Everything is pointing towards an epic altcoin season. So we're going to start to see the alts really start to perform, really start to pump. And millionaires are going to be made, guys. So like I said, diversification is key. 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and the rest in the top 10 cryptos, particularly mid and big caps. And guys, remember, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get it off there, out there. I'm Justin Mature. Get it off there. I'm telling you, because you don't own the keys, you own the crypto. Remember, Ledger allows you to do swaps within its application. So it's like having an exchange in your pocket, guys. This is also pretty bullish. Looks like Frank Templeton just released this meme out there. I thought it was kind of interesting. And basically, you should have a 60-40, stocks, high risk, low risk, and plus Bitcoin. So it looks like, and they got the laser eyes. Frank Templeton got the laser eyes. So that's cool, guys. And you can see that Frank Templeton right now is really pushing out the lowest cost spot Bitcoin ETF. They're really talking about it, guys. They don't know why have our FTIDA account, and this is really cool, guys. They are really pushing Bitcoin spot ETF. Is crypto speculation is a feature, not a bug. Wow. So here we go, guys. Fantastic news. Let's listen to Jeremy Diamond. And it's kind of funny. Justin, JPMorgan, Jeremy Diamond says his personal advice is not to get involved with Bitcoin. But JPMorgan is an authorized participant for BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF. So once again, Jeremy Diamond, he is kind of fudding Bitcoin right now to create some negative sentiment to push the price down because they want to ape it. So let's listen to what this knuckle duster Snowflake has to say.
Currencies, there are two types. There's a cryptocurrency which might actually do something. Think of a cryptocurrency as an embedded smart contract in it, and then we can use it to buy and sell real estate and move data. That may have value.
The idea of tokenizing.
Tokenizing things that you do something with. And then there's one which does nothing. I call it the pet rock, the Bitcoin or something like that. And so on the Bitcoin, there's, first of all, I'm not trying to make a joke here. There are use cases, AML, fraud, anti-money laundering.
You see? Come on. Jeremy Diamond, he is just fudding Bitcoin because he wants to see the price go down. Jeremy Diamond's shenanigans never stop. Never freaking stop. Guys, it's so obvious. Guys, JPMorgan is the authorized participant for BlackRock Spot ETF. BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF. Okay? So they're heavily involved, but at the same time, Jeremy Diamond is creating FUD and creating negative news surrounding Bitcoin to drive the price down. It's obvious, guys. Also, the movie Robot 2023 mentions Dogecoin. So this is from the movie. It says, how on earth did you afford to 2 million Dogecoin, Robot? There you go. Positive for Dogecoin. And guys, buckle up. Bitcoin update. Dogecoin, buckle up as Dogecoin cruises sideways at 8 cents, signaling potential reversal for meme coins. Despite the 8.5 dip this week, a 30% upside is on the radar. Hodl strong and anticipate market slowdown. So, like I said, we are at the point of confluence right now for Dogecoin. If we can break out from this spot, we might be able to see a 30% increase, and that could take us all the way up to around about 10 cents, guys. So let's hopefully we have this breakout. We definitely need Dogecoin to break out and get something happening. Definitely get something happening for Dogecoin out there, guys. So, we have this double bottom that's been formed here and here. And like I said, we're at this point of confluence right now. We could break to the upside hard, or we could break down to the downside to 7 cents out there. So overall, Bitcoin is still up 0.92%. Not too shabby out there. So yeah, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, what's going on? Binance expands a Dogecoin offering with USDC margin perpetual contracts. So that's good. This has just been released. An announcement on Wednesday. Binance revealed that it will be launching a new product for Dogecoin. The product is a UDC margin Dogecoin perpetual contract that will allow traders to trade Dogecoin in new ways on the crypto exchange. So that's kind of cool, guys. But remember, I don't leverage trade. I don't recommend everyone leverage trading, guys and gals out there. So my chair is freaking busted right now. Every time the chair I sit, I keep sinking lower and lower and lower. Like you're probably watching, like, what's going on? Do you get shorted? What the fuck is going on out there? I got a massive headache today. So if I'm like, stumbling and got, brain farts happening, I got a massive migraine headache right now. It's like someone's got a hammer. It's like someone's like, got a hammer. So much love to you guys out there. So overall, things are pretty kind of, just going sideways out there. Not too much is happening. Just be patient, guys. Don't panic sell, because that's what the Jeremy Diamonds want. That's what the fuds want. That's what the market manipulators want. They want you to sell. They want you to freaking sell. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hodl. And if Bitcoin goes down to $32,000, yeah, it's going to be a great time to party, because it's time to be buying the freaking double dip, guys. So that's all I got. Be blessed. Be well. Smash the like, subscribe, share. Peace out. Peace out.